everyone. We warmly welcome you all to our Kaleidoscope.
Our theme is Dastan.
Do you know what Dastan is? Yes, Dastan is a world of imagination.
It is not just one story, but a collection of many imaginative stories.
These stories are full of adventure, magic, and brave heroes. They were told long ago and shaped from one person to another.
Today, we bring this wonderful Dastan to life.
Today we take you on a journey across borders and cultures as we bring stories of the world onto one stage.
These stories have traveled across the world.
From laughter to tears, from courage to calm, these stories remind us that emotions connect hearts beyond cultures and borders. So get ready to go on a journey around the world through tales that will make you smile, think, and dream.
As we proudly present Dastan, celebrating the power of stories.
Let's begin with a graceful welcome dance by our friends from grade 3D and E.
పూజనీయులకు పుర ప్రముఖులకు